Hey, it's Sam. So, today I'm going to be doing a LEGO Mindstorms EV3 tutorial. Keep in mind, this is 2019, so I don't know how this could change in the past or the future. But, without further ado, let's do this. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to edit existing custom blocks. If you don't know what a custom block is, it's basically a set of blocks on the EV3 Mindstorms programmer that you turn into a little block that you can share with your friends. So, if you have not watched my video on how to make these custom blocks, click up here. There's going to be a card right here. Click that card, go to that video, check it out, then you can come back here and learn how to edit existing custom blocks. Now, without further ado, let's get to this. So, what you're going to do is when you want to edit this, it's very easy. You just press edit up on the top left corner. And, well, there's a bunch of stuff here, but it was in the how to make custom blocks. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope this is useful to you when you are coding your Mindstorms robot. Please like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe.